Namaskar friends. So guys, today is 32nd day of the lockdown in India and started on 22nd of March. Who had thought that this lockdown is going to get stretched so much? Not only in India but globally. Not only in our city but in every city in this world. Be it developing countries or be it the developed countries. Be it the biggest of the economies or be it the smallest of the economies. I remember the day when I saw on the news that a city called Wuhan in China has got locked down. I asked myself, how is that possible? मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया था कि एक पूरा शहर आप कैसे फोर्सफुली लॉकडाउन कर सकते हो और ऐसा क्या बीमारी हो गया, ऐसी क्या बात हो गई कि आपको पूरी शहर को लॉकडाउन करना पड़ा and that you have to tell the people to be in their homes lockdown and quarantine as such themselves. But I mean, as the things unfolded, it has been quite a shocker. And आज आप ये देखो पूरा दुनिया लॉकडाउन हो गया है, जो हम लोग सब अभी 3-4 हफ्ते से समझ रहे हैं अच्छी तरीक़ा से. Now in India also, I believe that fear, or rather fear may be a wrong word, rather that sense of being precautious, that sense of being cautious, that sense of being more smart and not calling yourself, जैसे दिल्ली लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं, not calling yourself a चौधरी कि अरे भाई आई एम ए पॉलिटिशियन, मुझे कोरोना नहीं होगा. अरे भाई आई हैव X amount of $1 billion in my बैंक, मुझे कोरोना कैसे होगा. छोटा से छोटा आदमी, बड़ा से बड़ा आदमी, चाहे आपका कद बड़ा हो चाहे कद छोटा हो, आपका चाहे बैंक बैलेंस बड़ा हो या बैंक बैलेंस छोटा हो, चाहे आप पॉलिटिशियन हो या एक मजदूर हो, आप कुछ भी हो, कोरोना से आज आप बच नहीं सकते हो. एंड दैट इज द रीजन यू आर इन योर होम लॉक्ड डाउन. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. और आप ये भी समझो कि इफ द एंटायर वर्ल्ड हैज लॉक्ड डाउन, इफ ऑल द वर्ल्ड लीडर्स, all the world prime ministers and the presidents, if they are ready to incur the loss for the country and their own government to an extent of $10-12 trillion as on today, there has to be a huge reason. And the reason is very simple कि ये बीमारी बहुत ही फैलने वाला है. It is very contagious. You cannot be saved from this disease if you come in contact and if that virus enters you through your nostrils, through your mouth, through your eyes or any other way. This is not a joke. This is not a thing to be taken lightly, and that's the reason no one is taking lightly. Problem is that some people are not taking it so seriously. सबसे पहले जो लोग सीरियसली नहीं ले रहे हैं, आपके लिए खराब है, आपके परिवार के लिए खराब है, और कोई को नुकसान नहीं होगा. If something will happen to anyone, it will be you. It will be your family, your father, mother, your brother, sister, your wife, your son, your daughter, your relatives. So, be a bit more patient. We have already been patient for 1 month plus in India, right? And ये आपको समझ में already आ रहा होगा कि that this is a long battle. This is not something that's going to vanish or get over in a week, 2 weeks or a month, right? This is a battle that may go on for months. I don't want to give my estimates. That is my estimate. I could be absolutely wrong. But जब तक इसका इलाज नहीं आ जाता है, वैक्सीन नहीं आ जाता है, तब तक दुनिया सेफ नहीं है. Our way of life will be changing and that's okay. It's a temporary change and we should adapt to it. We humans are very good in adapting. ये आप रियलाइज किए होंगे पिछले 1-2 महीना से हाउ वी हैव अडेप्टेड. कोई सोच सकता था कि आप ऐसे घर में 1 महीना तक बिना काम काज, विदाउट एनी वर्क earnings, without getting busy with anything productive, because we humans are engineered in such a way कि the moment you leave your school and college, you are taught your motto in life is to churn money, make money. You are engineered in such a way, right? So we all have been engineered in this way in this world, entire population of 7 billion in different ways. But कोई सोच सकता था कि आप ऐसे घर में बैठ जाओगे? नहीं. So we have a huge capacity to adapt. Let's not underestimate ourselves, right? And that's what we'll have to do for the coming months, right? It's just that don't be stupid. Don't be stupid and venture out and meet people in a group of 10, 20, 30, 50. Don't get into any activities where you are in contact with a lot of people. You will just be harming yourself, bottom line. You will be just calling yourself बेवकूफ, stupid, idiot कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया. इसके आगे नहीं कुछ, इसके पीछे नहीं कुछ. खैर, आपको ये बात बता दूं, टुडे globally we are having around 27 lakh cases, right? America is having approximately 8.5 to 9 lakh cases. India is having approximately 22,000 cases, right? And in India, cases, we all can guess, it could be much higher. I don't want to scare anyone. I am no expert to tell you this video, this kind of video I'm making for the first time. And it's being experienced for myself. But the reason I'm making this video, if anybody can get a little serious about this disease or a little motivated in any way because of whatever I'm speaking, I would think that maybe I've done a very small thing for my fellow citizens or anyone in this world, and I would be more than happy. This is the least I could do, so I made this video. Khair, so the cases are growing around the world. The cases will grow around the world, right? Probably we have not yet, not even near to the peak. We do not know, right? Now this disease, this germ, right? It could get losses greater. I'm not taking the inflation into consideration. If I don't get into consideration, well, it has already caused a lot of harm. 10, 12, 13 trillion estimated by the biggest of the authorities, IMF, etc. is not a hypothetical figure, and that's huge. American economy, GDP, I would assume, is around 22 trillion. Indian GDP is about 2.5 trillion. So 12 trillion losses, the bill running, and it's running, right? The meter is running. It's not a joke. And a lot of people are going to lose jobs. A lot of people probably will be committing suicide. It's a reality. So one cannot hide from this reality. आपको strong रहना है. You need to be strong. Don't fall weak, right? जान है तो जहाँ है, ये आप याद रखो, right? Money will come, money will go. हाँ, प्रॉब्लम ये है जब इंसान को भाई खाना नहीं मिल रहा, वो अलग चीज़ है. और उसके लिए इंसान में इतना कैपेसिटी तो है जी कि वो कैसे ना कैसे कोई भी तरीका से अपना खाने का बंदोबस्त तो कर ही लेता है. तो वो ठीक है. उसके अलावा और कोई टेंशन हो आपको, कोई बिल का, हाँ, रुपया कमाई का, लोन का, इसका उसका, आप वो टेंशन रखो and let that tension flow through. Be in good health, be alive. Don't think of doing anything stupid to yourself, to your family members. जान है तो जहां है, आप ये याद रखो सबसे पहले. बाकी तो जिंदगी पड़ी है ना, ये तो we'll fight through, this will pass. Coronavirus, end of the day, will pass, just like everything has passed in this world. World War I, World War II, depression, swine flu, what was that disease that started in Germany and Brazil. I'm forgetting the name right now. But the disease that caused the maximum damage before Corona till now. But anyway, so what I was saying is that we have to be strong and take all the precautions, take this seriously. It is no joke, right? And at the same time, going ahead, I would say, make up your mind that okay, in the next 6 months, 4 months, 3 months, ये नहीं है कि भाई we have to start meeting or we should start meeting people, भाई पार्टी थ्रो करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. अभी कोई, if anybody has a strength in the office of say 200 people who are working, right? ये नहीं कि सारे 200 staff को बुलाना है, right? Cut down your gatherings, be it social, be it for your work, or be it for parties. Cut it down. If you're meeting a friend, meet 2-3 couples in a group, maximum 4-5 couples in a group, who are well-known couples, whose whereabouts you can guess, right? And who are themselves being careful, just like you are. In your office also, make a work culture for a few months, wherein people are not sitting very close to each other, and wherein couple of staffs, couple of your employees can work from home, right? Or rotate the staff, wherein you have a certain batch coming for the first 3 days of the week and a certain batch coming in the other 3 days of the week, or however you want to rotate it. It's just some ideas which is just coming to me right now, so I'm just saying it. But what I mean to say, generally, meet as less as people together in a group together, right? And it's not only important that you be careful, each and every family member you're staying with, right? Be it any of your family members, your father, sister, brother, mother, son, daughter, whosoever, also need to practice the same thing. Because if you practice and if any of your family members don't practice, it is useless because they stay with you. तो आप केयरफुल होगे और वो केयरफुल नहीं होंगे, वो बीमारी घर में ले आएंगे. और अगर वो बीमारी घर में ले आएंगे, आपका जो भी मेहनत हुआ, जो भी आप मेहनत किए फॉर मेंटेनिंग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मेहनत यूजलेस हो गया. यू गेटिंग इट? सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. और ये सब चीज़ आप सब जो सुन रहे हैं सब जानते हैं. मैं जानता हूँ कि आप जानते हैं. एवरीबडी इज ए इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन, राइट? सब लोग न्यूज़ चैनल पढ़ रहे हैं, सब लोग, everyone has read about this COVID-19. Everyone is seeing how it's spreading globally, be it in Spain, Germany, Italy, UK, where the numbers are more than 150, in US, China, Australia, everywhere around the world. But sometimes hearing, from a second, third person, kind of instills a sense of, yes, right, I had this in the back of the mind, but now I've heard it, and that's true, and I must follow it. And that's the reason I am just saying it. And anyway, so this is all I got to say now. Maybe I'll make one more video because this is my first time, and I've really enjoyed making it. And if you have liked the video, I would request you please share it if you feel it will help anyone, or you please like it, wherein maybe it can trend or doesn't trend. It doesn't matter to me so much, but please do like it or share it. if you feel this video has any value, any vajan. Thank you, sir, so much. Thank you, madams, so much. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you very much.